Hey everyone, it's Dave from World Vacations, and hey, we got to the Majestic Mirage here in the Dominican Republic, Bavaro area, and hey, we got to our room a few minutes ago. Just going to take you on a quick tour of the room here. It is a one-bedroom suite here. That's part of Club Mirage, and so we got some space here. Walk in here, we got, first thing on the left is a bathroom, full bathroom here. Looks like a half bathroom. Cool. Definitely not tight on space. And we got Carol in there, World Vacations. And just do a quick sweep of the room here. And we've got some alcohol here that's definitely included and restocked. Nice large screen TV, as well as a fridge, coffee maker,
and a wine fridge.
And a wine fridge. And we got some goodies up there for sweet lovers. And it looks like we have a nice wraparound balcony. We'll come back to that in a second. So we got a nice large sitting room area here. And then we got the bedroom. Nice king size bed. It looks like they left us some gifts. Very nice. Definitely use those. And here we got full bathroom here. Shower, I'm guessing is here. Nice size shower, rain shower heads. Very cool, looking forward to that. And we've got a nice double sink as well. And one important thing here, anywhere you travel, especially a nice resort, you always want to make sure you've got a safe and lock up your valuables. You never know, and you always want to be safe, pun intended. And coming over here, we've got our balcony, which is a nice wraparound balcony. And we'll walk out here if we can, kind of do a little overview. I have not been out here yet, so let's see what we got. Got a hot tub. Very cool. Got a hot tub. And we got a pool right below us, it looks like. And another one adjacent. And kind of an overview of the resort. And coming back around, towel rack, sitting areas, very nice. And back to the pool and the resort. Well, check out our new website at worldvacations.com and continue to follow us as we continue to explore this resort, the area, and our second resort that we're going to visit in just a couple of days. Talk again soon. Remember, follow us, like us, and we'll be at you soon. And if you want to come here or anywhere else, we're your one-stop travel agency. We can take care of sending you anywhere you want to go. So reach out to us.